Today I want to talk to you about how we can achieve even the biggest goals and dreams in our life. There is a saying in Germany, we say the longest way is always until you do the first step, something like that. Yeah, that means once we overcome this first step, gap, leap, challenge, then we actually go for it. We can go for it. But until we go there and do the first step, that is where a lot of people struggle or have to overcome obstacles or get afraid or think, oh my God, maybe I shouldn't, and so on and so on. So what does that mean for you? What is your first step in your life? So I had something now in my present life. I wanted to reach more people. So I had to think about how do I reach more people, and I tried a few things out, but they didn't work properly and I didn't feel comfortable in it. You know, I tried to do some more advertisement and tried to promote it a certain way, and it was like feeling like selling something. And because I wasn't aligned with it and I didn't feel comfortable about it, it didn't work. So I had to rethink that. I had to think about what is more in alignment with what I stand for. And it's writing, putting questions out there, letting people explore their own truth while they're actually reading a book. And yeah, these kind of things make me totally excited. So the first step was to write really on purpose in order to reach more people, and not to just write because I like it. Write with this bigger picture in the background. And once I started to write, I found out, oh my God, I access a certain energy, a certain information that I wouldn't access by just talking about it, or by just contemplating about it, or thinking about it. So that kept me going. That means I can now think about step 2, step 3, and so on. So I want to ask you, what does that mean in your life, for you? What is your first step? What makes you then thinking about the second and the third, and it doesn't feel like hard work anymore? And trust that whatever comes through for you as an answer, that this is exactly what you need to do it. Thanks for listening, and subscribe over there, remember, and if you want to watch more videos, they're over here. Bye.